It is just not working. I tried to do all these plans of mine, but none of them seem to work. I need to think. What if I made something that will bring the country in mass panic? Perhaps I should take AS1's cringy and old videos and make a fake national emergency out of it. I got it! Just meet me tomorrow. I will bring it on.
Hey, honey, do you think you could make dinner tonight?
Actually, I got my hands full. You can't?
Not, I'm a little tied up right now myself.
How about we run out for something?
I know where. Let's race! Dash!
A Happy Meal can help an increase.
Let it go! Let it go! Can't hold me back anymore! Let it go! Let it go! Let it go!
Is transmitted by the request of the California State Police Department. Someone's old videos published back in 2015 with the YouTube channel name of Andrew Silverman have been spotted in 386 TV channels, with all California satellites having the videos being played on their provided channels. These can play at any time of the day without warning. It was also found in reports coming in that the videos were disturbingly edited, loud, and cringy. Do not watch any of these videos, as doing so will cause the following side effects: cringe, irritation of the ear, unusual shivering, and disturbance. It is advised for all California residents to turn off all of their televisions until this situation has been handled and taken care of. Tune into any media outlets excluding televisions to tune into updates as they follow.
Hello, this is Andrew Silverman, and I'm going to show you how to wash a balloon. Just turn the water on. Make sure the balloon has water everywhere. Now turn it off and spill some water and
The following message is transmitted by the request of the California State Police Department. Andrew Silverman's videos from earlier have now been spotted on 634 more television channels throughout all the satellites in the whole state of California. There are now some new side effects, with the following being headaches, scariness, and uncontrollable anger. It was calculated that 249 people throughout the whole state of California have reported that the video was about how to wash a balloon. Really? What dumbest makes a video about how to wash a fucking balloon? Do whatever you want to do with it. suck the helium out of it and make it sound like you have been high on crack. Fly your ass out of the goddamn country because seriously, this country is fucking trash in my opinion. Pop it and make your friend, sibling, or enemy cry their fucking ass off. But just don't wash it. Seriously, it triggers my fucking OCD. Back to the alert. This is a serious situation that needs to be treated carefully to prevent yourself from watching the videos. It is advised to turn off all electronics that are controlled by a satellite. Tune into updates as they follow.
That robot. I'm okay!
お前はもう死んでいる。何？
We interrupt our radio programming. This is a national alert. Important instructions will follow. Stand by. The President of the United States or its designated representative will be speaking on all stations shortly. Stand by. Stand by. Stand by.
The following message has been given authorization of myself and the U.S. government. My fellow Americans, there was an unusual event in the state of California where cringy videos back in 2015 with the YouTube channel name of AndrewSilverman have been playing in satellites across the whole state of California. If you saw one of his old videos, the side effects would be the following: extreme cringe, irritation of the ear, unusual shaking, disturbance, headaches, scaredness, and unusual rage. This situation has now gone worse as 2,049 channels were playing a video of a robot and Disney Pixar's Wall-E find each other. When Wall-E starts to shoot lasers at the other robot, one person immediately died once the video ended, while another person unusually got injured. This situation has now spread across all satellites in the United States. Due to this, it is now extremely dangerous to use any, I repeat, any electronics controlled by a satellite. I advise everyone to turn off those kinds of electronics while we try to find a man or woman who did this. Because whoever did do it will have to pay the price and face those metal bars for years, not decades, if not their whole life. I hope for you all the best. This concludes my message.
Great, had to be sent home from work. At least I got time to finish up making this eco-friendly taser. So that's good. Hey,
Plan 2, Mark, Plan 3, Mark, Plan 4, Mark, Plan 5, Mark. Finally, my next plan. It actually worked.
For sound.
I brought the country to mass panic. And all of this was fake. No one actually died. No one actually got injured. Oh, man, I love messing around with people. One day, I can rule this country, or maybe even this world. So this is where the voices were coming from. No, I'm not getting that. No, I'm not getting that.
You are under arrest, ma'am. We're gonna be taking you to court. Before we start, I want to tell everyone to help save the environment. Some of us are doing it right now. And basically, I decided to make this cardboard court hammer to save the environment. So you don't have to use all that wood. Because it's part of trees and gives us oxygen. So, yeah. Anyways, court is now in session. So, first, we're going to ask the man who did it. What happened? Okay, Barney. Is that your name?
Yes.
Okay, then, come up to the stage.
Don't you mean the chair?
Yeah, shut up! Go to the goddamn seat next to me! Yeah. So, can you please tell us of what happened and why you did this?
So, hear my story. It was all one day. I was a kid. My dream was to do what I wanted to do, which was become popular or even famous. So what I did was that I played with children and stuff, made them use their imagination, number carnivals, musical zoos, just anything you can think of, even a pool. I was actually kind of fine with everyone dunking me in the water, but so then it was all in 2015 when I decided to retire from my career. Then I started to regret that. So you know what I did? I tried to do what I tried to do. I tried to just invade. I wanted my job back so badly, but my request got rejected because they think I was just switching my mind or anything, like switching my decisions repeatedly. They thought I was going to do that, but really, I just needed a break. So, I only had one decision. It was to cause panic. That was my only option, to cause panic. So then, none of my plans worked. I even did it before I got retired, but that was only if someone pissed me off or something. So then, my only option was panic. Seriously. All my plans didn't work, but this one worked. And at the same time, I didn't want it to happen. So, yeah. Send me to prison. I don't care. Send me to the electric chair. I don't care. Just, I don't deserve to live in this planet anymore. Seriously, I don't.
No, that was actually kind of heartwarming. Okay, but still, you know what you are? Guilty! Because you know to never make a country go into mass panic for something that's false. Although the story was heartwarming, and I know you want your dreams come true, like all of us. I'll lead you out with a warning. you're going to be in jail for 2 weeks. So we're gonna bring you to the car, so, yeah. Court has now concluded.
So, before I get into my cell, I want to call Andrew Silverman. I must confess.
Okay. Who is this? Oh, it's a random number. I think I'm gonna call it. Hello, who is this?
Hey Andrew, guess what? I made a fake EAS this whole time. Wasn't that funny?
Wait, this is you all along? Barney! How dare you make a fake EAS about my old channel? You know I didn't give you permission about that. That's it. I am severely mad at you right now. You know what? We're not friends, and I'm gonna talk to you after you get out of prison. Now, enjoy prison, idiot.
Be honest, I don't give a frick. 'Cause, you know what? Even though I confessed, I still like to make pranks. Oh!
Stand by. Stand by. Stand by. The President of the United States or its designated representative will be speaking on all stations shortly. Stand by. Stand by. Stand by.
The following message has been given authorization of myself and the U.S. government, my fellow Americans. The unusual event with someone's cringy videos back in 2015 by the channel name of Andrew Silverman were false alarms. Nobody died or got injured. The suspect has now been caught and put into jail for 2 weeks. The video still, however, played on all satellites in the U.S., but no side effects were officially reported by any sort of emergency management. All disturbing edits were made with Microsoft Movie Maker and were not real. It was found out that the suspect of this was a male purple Tyrannosaurus Rex named Corny the dinosaur with unknown height and unknown weight. Although these were false alarms, we still thank you for your cooperation. This concludes the activation of the emergency alert system. Normal programming may now resume.